All right, so welcome again to Military Guna TV. Today we're gonna do a nice special interview, calm, cool conversation with Shai Smith, the number 10 of Portmore United. So we're gonna get to know him and understand what he's about and what are his aspirations in the footballing realm. And we don't know already, so Jamaican football don't get that much publication. And I already told you that I'm gonna put a mantra on the back of my wall. So my target is ensure that Jamaica football at least get the highest become the highest bidder in the Caribbean specifically. So that's when we know that the world start to recognize Jamaican football. It has happened already, but it happened on a large scale or one yet. So that's our target. So today we'll speak about, so I'm going to speak to one special player, young, 23, might look old like me, but he's young. You don't know. African, so we look all of our age. But anyways, Shai Smith, how are you, bro?
Yeah, I'm fine. I'm good, man.
All right, so big games coming up over the weekend, you know. How is the training and the preparation leading up to that game? Before we get into the personal stuff, how is the training and the preparation leading up to that game?
But so far, the training, intense, teamwork, team effort,
Mm-hmm.
just going there, going at the session, going at the session hard, as always. They get me tired.
All right.
You know, it's a big game coming forward. So,
Mm-hmm.
putting my best foot forward and we got the game.
All right. All right. So pretty much when we realize this season specifically, it's not last season, but this season specifically, we realize that all of the clubs them are going younger players. Yeah, number, yeah, one of the, yeah, the talisman for your team right now. Leading goal scorer for Portmore United. Even though 2 goals, 3 games in play so far. The same sense, I talisman, but you're 23, quite young. With the number 10 point back. Heaven burden that you're carrying, man. Big burden that you're carrying, number 10 jersey. Yeah, you expect if you create, expect if you score, expect if you be the impact player in the team. How you manage your pressure there?
Well, for me personally, it's not much pressure you get, but
Mm-hmm.
you have to deliver when it's time of practice. You know,
All
go
right.
there,
So,
put instructions
mm-hmm.
and just get the job done.
All right. So, at what age you start play football?
I got it about seven, seven,
7.
six, 7, 6.
Me never asked a question that before. When you which age you identify say you're special, you're different from the other rest of players in my your age group.
My age group. I'm a little boy and about 6 them time the same time, man. You know.
You realize you're different from the rest of players then.
Yeah, man. I'm a little bit I go up and you know I have a love feet and things.
Mm-hmm.
It's this kind of passion that feet so just do it. Yeah.
Question: you get the community baller treatment. Me know say enough, you must know about that. When I hear a big baller like community where everybody has a boy that the man they have a play, you get the treatment there too.
Yeah, man. I like. I like. I like, man.
You know, so by the time you and fear if you other people still know, but they don't know. I'm on a big ball community. So which community you come from? And which in a family really you say get the footballing accolades from the talent from.
Well, you know, I'm from mountain district. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
And ah, Qualifiers and our family. Why I made a father could have played by still. So we don't know the 100 back at the Z, but I
Yeah.
don't know big. Probably number 2 them time. They know something I go by again.
Yeah.
Quiet and they see, but yeah, man.
So, hold on, so you're first professional footballer or semi-professional footballer in your family?
Yeah.
Oh,
Basically,
nice. Yeah.
basically me and the like I know. Have me, but I have an extra brother than me, but he did love the football, but why you know it's from annually and football. I just
Mm-hmm. True.
put that aside. But me have a little sister account right now, and
Mm-hmm.
she's all
Love it
about
as well.
she's all about it. You get me, and you know I have to try
Yeah.
push her and make it do the right thing for me and stay on the right track, and at the same
True.
time focus on staying at school same time and get what she has to get done. You know.
Yeah, man. as a big brother, you have a role to play in a insurance that them really sit up on track and reach the level of where you don't want to see yourself and where you don't want to see them as well. So schoolboy football, which team and what your biggest achievement out of it?
Well, schoolboy football, only thing can choose, one of the best. You get me? For my
Yeah?
first time playing Manning Cup, we we went to the Flow Super Cup, but I didn't play the last season leading up to the
Mm-hmm.
finals because circumstance. You get me? So,
Okay.
yeah,
Mm.
regardless, that was a part of the team. So after
Mm-hmm.
that, after that year, I become the man. You get me? Uh,
Mm-hmm.
at that time, I was doing number 7. That was my first, I say my first um, season becoming the man. And then
Okay.
it wasn't that successful. Yes, we I think
Mm-hmm.
quarterfinal, and then the other season become the number 10. We become the
Mm-hmm.
wearing the number 10 jersey for them, and it was really a pleasure. That season, now we went to the semi-finals
Mm-hmm.
and we lost against KC. I hope it was it wasn't it wasn't the best, but we great
The
experience
experience.
because yeah, it wasn't the best because well going to that game I had an injury, you know.
Mm-hmm.
I was pleased with me, but at the same time we are always pleased because we create history. You see, we
Mm-hmm.
create history, so it was great moment. Then my final year, then
Oh.
we make it to the semi-finals again. You
Mm-hmm.
get me? So say that's a back-to-back history. You know,
Mm-hmm.
and was really grateful for that, man. We had support and all of them stuff there. Why? It was good. It was good.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So what age you join? Say from schoolboy football, what was the step into the Premier League? What was the step? What was the step like for you? How was the transition from schoolboy football to the Premier League? What clubs did you move to? Or did you make a straight move from schoolboy football into Portmore United?
Okay. At first I was playing for uh Brownstone. I was playing for Brownstone, and I was
Mm-hmm.
playing Super League. Yeah, I was playing Super League, and then we end up have a small injury and stuff, and as a circumstances, let me stop play again. You get me?
Mm-hmm.
Stop play for them. So just basically I focus on schoolboy football until I was there playing, and you had a person named I don't remember his last name, but he was there to come and watch our session at the Holy Trinity. And so
Mm-hmm.
we started talking to Portmore and saying, have a look there, and I like to have a look in him. So while playing Manning Cup, I was playing at Portmore. That was
Oh, okay.
that was 2016,
Mm-hmm.
17. Yeah, so I was
Okay.
I was I was, I was playing for them around that year,
Mm-hmm.
and gradually growing, growing and growing. Then I was trying to go to college also, but
Mm-hmm.
college didn't work out. Probably college just wasn't my my path. But
Okay, okay. Understood.
I
So
tried, I
that means
tried, I tried, tried my best to try to see if I could go to college, but it just couldn't happen. So
mm-hmm.
I'd have to I'd have to leave at the moment because at the colleges that I wanted to go, they're saying that I'm playing professional football in Jamaica, so my
Oh,
eligibility. So
okay,
I
understood.
I I asked for more for a list, so I went to play. I went to Santos to see if the situation could have been dealt with, or if it could have been changed by them.
Mm-hmm.
But unfortunately, it still remains the same. So, you know what? It doesn't make any sense. So I just went back to Portmore, and from there I don't know.
Okay, so you have been to Portmore a couple of years well now. So
Yeah,
that means that probably by next year or so you have a captain armband. probably.
probably, but the captain thing, my thing, but even though the players,
Mm-hmm.
respect me as much as,
Yeah.
but if it turns out to be that way, then it's that way.
So be it.
Yeah, yeah, so be it.
Yeah, that's definitely a journey. That's definitely a journey to be where you are right now. And I think a lot of people actually who's playing football right now in the Premier League would say that they are in a similar position as you are in regards to that, because we know what I have right now is that a lot of even the schoolboys, they want to play in the Premier League, but they don't really sign a professional contract due to the fact that it might stop their eligibility to play college, to go in college. Yeah, so that's how it is. So Shai Smith, may I tell you, I'll be looking out for it to see you throughout the entirety of the season. Hopefully this program can actually kick mark on a lot of these JPL players like yourself and make a lot more people see them. As I said, I was speaking to you a little bit earlier in regards to the marketing aspect of the football in Jamaica, and I think that we should do a lot better on that. We're not doing enough. We're definitely not doing enough in letting the world see the product that we have, the talent that we have, and we need. I take up the task. I take up the task to ensure that the world can see what we're working with here. And so, Shai Smith, big up, bro. Thank you very much for coming on. It's a pleasure. I never really have to come on, but it's a pleasure for you to come in on. I really enjoyed the discussion. Hope to have you back again sometime soon. Maybe when I lift up the trophy, because I even get the golem boot. So
yeah, man, that's one of the things I'm really after this season, man.
All right. Yeah, on the mark already now, because I think I must about 3 players alone score more than you so far. About 3, if so much.
Some of 4 is supposed to be the leading so far.
Yeah. So, but definitely, we'll see at the end of the season. I look forward to see you again at the end of the season. So, big up, keep tuning. Everybody, smash the like button, hit the subscribe button. As you know, we'll see you again some other time. And this has been a good one. Military Guna TV, people. And we are out.